Good morning, students. Welcome to another session of GK Student. Today we will start new lesson number 21, Environment Queries. Environment is a term used to denote our natural surroundings. People, animals, and plants are dependent on each other. Given below are clues about some environment terms. Write down the appropriate words for them. Waste from animals, human beings, and plants that can be broken by microorganisms into simpler materials that go back to nature is known as biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste includes any organic matter in waste which can be broken down into carbon dioxide, water, methane, or simple organic molecules by microorganisms and other living things by composting, aerobic digestion, anaerobic digestion, or similar process. Next question. Relationship of living beings with each other and with the environment is known as ecology. Ecology is the study of how organisms interact with one another and with their physical environment. The distribution and abundance of organisms on earth is shaped by both biotic, living organism related, and abiotic, non living or physical factors. Next question. Very small organisms that are not visible to the human eye and can only seen with the help of a microscope or magnifying glass is known as microbes. Microorganisms or microbes are microscopic organisms that exist as unicellular, multicellular, or cell clusters. Microorganisms are widespread in nature and are beneficial to life, but some can cause serious harm. They can be divided into six major types: bacteria, archaea, fungi, protozoa, algae, and viruses. Next question. Selected price of land for receiving solid waste is landfill. A landfill is a site also known as a tip, dump, rubbish dump, garbage dump, or dumping ground. Is a site for the disposal of waste materials. Landfill is the oldest and most common form of waste disposal, although the systematic burial of the waste with the daily, intermediate, and final covers only began in 1940s. Next question. Disease producing microorganism is pathogens. In biology, a pathogen in the oldest and broadest sense is anything that can produce disease. A pathogen may also be referred to as an infectious agent or simply a germ. Pathogenic organisms are of five main types: viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and worms. Next question. Complex materials which cannot be broken down by microorganisms is non-biodegradable. A non-biodegradable material can be defined as a kind of substance which cannot be broken down by natural organisms and act as a source of pollution. Unlike biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable cannot be easily handled. Next question. A person who manually pick useful materials from waste to earn money. Rag pickers. A rag pickers primarily collect easily recyclable materials such as glass, metal, and plastic, which can be sold to scrap dealers, who then process the waste and sell it on, either to be recycled or to be used directly in industry. Next question. A process of burning material in controlled conditions is known as incineration. Incineration is a waste treatment process that involves of the combustion of organic substances contained in waste materials. Incineration and other high temperature waste treatment systems are described as thermal treatment. Incineration of waste materials converts the waste into ash, flue gas, and heat. Next question. Composting by composting of waste by worms, vermicompost. Vermicomposing. Worms eat food scraps which become compost as they pass through the worm's body. Compost exits the worm through its tail end. This compost can then be used to grow plants. To understand why vermicompost is good for plants, remember that the worms are eating nutrient rich food and vegetable crops and turning them into nutrient rich compost. Fun fact, a glass bottle made in our time till will take more than 4000 years to decompose. Now let us start our new lesson number 22, Know Your World. Which is the least populous country in the world? Answer is Vatican City. Vatican City, with the population of around 1000 people, Vatican City is the least populated country in the world. Interestingly, Vatican City is also the smallest country in the world by land area at 0.70 square miles. The country is enclosed within the Italian city of Rome and is ruled by the Pope. Next question. Which is the largest city in the world? Answer is Tokyo. Tokyo is considered the world's largest city, with its urbanization exceeding its city limits. The largest city by population using the urban area definition, which is a loose term referring to a contiguous area with a certain population density, is also Tokyo, Japan. Next question. Which island is known as Isle of Pearls? Margaret. Margareta Island. It is the largest island in the Venezuelan state of Nueva Esparta, situated off the northeastern coast of the country in the Caribbean Sea. The capital city of Nueva Esparta, La Asunción, is located on island. Which is the southernmost point of South America? Eagle Island. It is the southernmost point of South America continent. It is the part of a larger southern group of the Diego Ramirez Island, about 100 kilometers southwest of Cape Horn in the Drake Passage. Next question. Which is the deepest oceanic trench in the world? The Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean about 200 km east of the Mariana Island. It is the deepest oceanic trench on earth. It is crescent-shaped and measures about 2550 km in length and 69 km in width. The maximum known depth is 10,984 meters at the southern end of a small slot-shaped valley in its floor known as the Challenger Deep. Next question. Christmas Island are the part of which country? Answer is Australia. The territory of Christmas Island is an Australian external territory comprising the island of the same name. Christmas Island is located in the Indian Ocean around 350 kilometers south of Java and Sumatra and around 1550 kilometers northwest of the closest point on the Australian mainland. It has an area of 135 square kilometers. Next question. The Cape of Good Hope is southern tip of the which continent? Answer is South Africa. It is a rocky headland on the Atlantic coast of Cape Peninsula in South Africa. The southmost point of Africa is Cape Aglaas, about 150 kilometers to the east-southwest. To the east-southeast, the currents of two oceans meets at the point where the warm water Aglaas current meets the cold water Benguela current and turns back on itself. Next question. Which strait separates the two main islands of New Zealand? Answer is Cook Strait. Cook Strait is a strait that separates the North and South Island of New Zealand. It connects the Tasman Sea on the northwest with the South Pacific Ocean on the southeast and runs next to the capital city Wellington. It is 22 kilometers wide at its narrow point and is considered one of the most dangerous and unpredictable waters in the world. Next question. Which continent is also known as White Desert? Answer is Antarctica. It is the coldest, windiest, and most isolated continent on Earth and is considered a desert because its annual precipitation can be less than 51 mm in the interior. It's covered by a permanent ice sheet that contains 90% of the Earth's fresh water. Next question. What is the other name of West Indies? The Caribbean Basin. Nowadays, the term West Indies is often interchangeable with the term Caribbean, although the latter may also include some North and South American mainland countries which have Caribbean coastlines. Fun fact. Nippokoku means land of the rising sun in Japan. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.